2012 Freightliner. Here's a beautiful truck, 24-foot, 102 wide with a big 350 horsepower engine. Here's an awesome material handling truck, standing tall and ready to go today. Geez, looking sharp. Look at this beautiful frame down here, sandblasted, primed, and painted. We got the Moffett hookups here in the back, and we can let us know if you need something a different mount. We can switch her around for you. If you want a Princeton, take a look here, air ride suspension. Got your tie downs here, fresh batteries in it. Very respectable interior. Take a look here at the automatic transmission, blowing ice cold in here. Seats are respectable for a 2012. Very nice truck here, showing 159,000 miles. Cruise control. I want to thank you for watching the video. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. We offer delivery nationwide. Thank you.